Students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. We will discuss the practical session, determination of alkalinity of water. M. To determine the amount of the following types of alkalinity present in the given samples. Firstly, hydroxide alkalinity. Second, carbonate alkalinity. Third, bicarbonate alkalinity. Next, hydroxide carbonate alkalinity. And next, carbonate bicarbonate alkalinity. Okay. Apparatus: burette, pipette, flask, and reagents used as carbon dioxide, free distilled water, phenolphthalein indicators, methyl orange indicators, 0.N sodium thiosulfate solution and 0.02 N sulfuric acid. Okay. Principles of determination of alkalinity of water. The alkalinity of water is a measure of its capacity to neutralize acid. It is primarily due to salt of weak acids, although weak or strong bases may also contribute. Alkalinity is usually imparted by bicarbonate, carbonate and hydroxide. It is measured volumetrically by titration with 0.02 N sulfuric acid and is reported in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. For examples, whose initial pH is above 8.3, the titration is conducted in two steps. In the first step, the titration is conducted until the pH is lowered to 8.2, the point at which phenolphthalein indicators turns from pink to colorless. This value corresponds to the points for conversion of carbonate to bicarbonate ions. The second phase of titration is conducted until the pH is lowered to 4.5, corresponds to methyl orange endpoints, which corresponds to the equivalence points for the conversion of bicarbonate ions to carbonate ions. And procedures: following procedures used in determination of alkalinity of water. Firstly, pipette 50 ml of sample into a clean aluminum flask. Add 1 drop of sodium thiosulfate solutions if residual chlorine is present, and next add 2 drop of phenolphthalein indicators if the pH is above 8.3. Colors of solution becomes pink. Titrate against standard sulfuric acid in the burette till the color just disappear. Note down the volume and add 2 drops of methyl orange indicators. The colors turn yellow. Next points, again titrate against acids until the colors turns to orange yellow. Note down the volume, total volume. Observation: 0.02 NH2SO4 into sample methyl orange are phenolphthalein indicators and calculation. Firstly, phenolphthalein alkalinity as mg per liter, B1 into 1000 upon m milliliter of samples, and total alkalinity as milligram per liter of calcium carbonate equal to V2 into 1000 upon milliliter of samples. Okay, thank you students.